Have you ever accidentally pushed in your canvas, affecting the tautness of the surface of your painting, thinking you just ruined your painting forever? Well, in most cases, there is an easy fix. All you do is turn over your painting to the back of the exposed canvas and use a spray bottle to thoroughly spray the affected area that is stretched. You then want to rub the affected area with a clean hand cloth or clean sponge. In most cases, this will be enough to fix your loose canvas. For those tough to reach corners, it is perfectly fine to reach your fingers under the canvas to spread that water over the affected areas. The water will fix any problems. Make sure to spray extra water in those small nooks. You should see an almost immediate fix to your painting surface on the painted side. And now your canvas is smooth and looking just as new. I want to be clear, this will only work on paintings that aren't too stretched or damaged. Give it a try. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I know it was a short one, and I'll see you next time.